Hey guys, welcome to my channel with a new video which can actually help you out earning money online. Are you looking to earn money online? If yes, you are at the right place. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Okay, so many people have been asking about how to earn money, and the people are asking about how to get accepted on GoTranscript, Transcript Me, HappyScribe, and Rev.com. So my answer to those people is that please don't waste your time on these websites. You guys are, trying to earn money by just doing copy paste job. This is something which is not possible at all because there is no way of making easy money in the world. You have to do something. You have to work hard to earn money. So I have come up with an idea to earn money online. Please watch this video till end. It can help you a lot, and it can change your mindset about copy paste thing and using software and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show some of the proofs that I have got projects to work on. I have got actually 4 projects to work on, which I am working right now. I'm gonna show you the tools provided by the clients. I'm gonna show you some of the sheets provided by the clients with instructions, how I can find, how I can fulfill their requirements, and how can I find clients for them as well. So without wasting time, I'm gonna go to the Upwork. Here we go, and I'll show you my projects which I am working on right now. Let's just go to the messages. First of all, I want to show you the real proof. This is the first person. I've been talking to him since last half and a month. He has a project of copy and paste the automated LinkedIn messages. So you can see that here is the start of the conversation. There you go. This is my proposal to him. These are some of the examples of my work in my previous organization. And boom, here we go. This is the start of the conversation. He said, please pick a date. This is the first meeting. Second meeting, it was actually got rescheduled. First meeting, second, third, fourth, five, sixth, seventh, eight, nine. I have, like, 7 or 8 interactions with him. He is very cool. He's very nice. He asked me to showcase my abilities by doing a live work. Okay, which I did. Now I'm just waiting for him to hire me as soon as possible. It's gonna be happen on Sunday probably. This is the video he sent me for as instructions how to work on. Then this is a second person, my second project. I'm setting appointments for this person. Okay, and this is my third project. He's an Australian guy. I had 3 to 4 interactions with him. I have Boston Arrow and Ian on my WhatsApp as well. Okay, and this is the fourth project which I am working on right now. Okay, so let me show you my profile as well. It will show you a lot of things in it. Let's let me show you just an example of my profile right now. Okay, so it's saying that lead generation, email campaign, business development, and cold calling. These are my skills. I can communicate. I can schedule email campaigning. I can generate leads. I can develop the business. I can make strategies how to develop a business, how to run campaigns, email campaigns, and what should be the strategy and what should be the scripts for the outbound calling reach. Okay, and then here is email, phone, and chat support. I've been working on these things as well in my past experiences. So email, phone, chat support, appointment setter. I've been setting appointments from last 2.5 months, and this is how my profile looks like. I have mentioned my abilities and my capabilities here. This is portfolio which I added yesterday, and these are the skills section. and then a project as well. So this is something which is very cool, which actually gonna give you the money. You just need to work a little bit harder if you want to earn online. Upwork is the best platform right now on the planet, which is giving you legit money and legit work. Okay, and let me just show you my email as well. I have so many proposal by different people. This project just came in today. They're asking me to fill the form if I'm interested. I'm not interested at all. And then this is the hunter performance, asking me to join as soon as possible. Then these are some of the companies, local companies, which are reaching out to me for a job. And then just have a look at that. Wolfgang, and then unread messages. Um, so many stuff out there in my email, which which I just wanted to show you, just to prove this thing that please stop wasting your time on these four websites. They are not going to accept your application anywhere near in the near future. I don't know, maybe after a year or two they will accept the application, but for right now they are full, they are occupied, they have no any kind of job quota open right now. So it will be a waste of time if you are applying on these websites, right? So let's go to the email once again, and here we go. You know, you can see that I have a lot of emails for daily sales trainings by the clients, and the onboarding processes, and my project got approved and stuff like that. Okay, so reason behind telling you all this, that uh, don't please stop asking me for the PDF files. Stop asking me for help in regards of transcriptioning side. I'm not doing it at all. I have stopped working on GoTranscript and any other transcriptioning time wasters websites. I'm not doing it at all right now. What I'm doing is I'm doing the Upwork right now, which is actually I think, but I'm sure, not think, I'm sure, it's a legit website which will help you grow in terms of online earnings. If you want to earn, just go ahead and sign up on, this is my another profile on freelancer.com. I have a I have an account on Fiverr as well. Make an account over here on Fiverr, make an account on Upwork, make an account on freelancer.com. The time you are wasting on these websites, okay, you can invest your time on these three platforms, and I can guarantee you that you can earn a very good money. Okay, so if you need any kind of help in regards to the Upwork, in regards to the freelancer.com, in regards to the Fiverr gigs, I can help you out right now. But if you are asking me to help for GoTranscript, Transcribe Me, Happy Scribe, and Rev, I'm not available. I am really sorry about that, but I'm available for these three platforms right now because I want you guys to earn. I want you guys to be a successful online freelancer, in upcoming time. So hurry up and go to these three platforms, join them, and if you need any kind of help, you can just ping me up on my WhatsApp, on my email. I will be there. I will be helping you out to setting up your profiles. And remember guys, there is one thing which everyone has, and that is skill. Everyone can speak good English. They can write something. They can handle LinkedIn as well. So why don't you go and just try cold calling. Cold calling is something which is very in demand right now. Why are you an IT person? Just go ahead and make a profile of your related skill, like web developing, like app development, software testing, and email merging system, Microsoft 365, and there is a lot of jobs regarding IT on these three platforms. And then we have appointment setters, which is going very high in the market right now. You can join Upwork, you can join Freelancer, you can join Fiverr, and become an appointment setter. You can be a lead generation. Okay, you just need to be focused on your own skill, which you have according to your degree, according to your education, and then you can go to these platforms, make an account, make a profile, and just start bidding on different jobs which you will see on daily basis, the latest ones. For example, let me show you the proof real quick. Here we go. These are my best matches right now, top 100 leads for a bigger project, and it's a verified client, and it has spent like $900 on the Upwork. And then we can go to the most recent tab. It will show you the most recent jobs uploaded by the clients. Okay, so you can see the title. Just go ahead and click on any of them, and it will show you the details. And if you think this is relevant to your skill, then you can go ahead and apply for the job. Apply now. It will ask you to spend 6 connects to apply on this. You need to submit a proposal and some of the previous work samples if you have, and you are good to go if the client thinks that yes, you are the right person. And once again, guys, I can guarantee you that if you invest your time on these platforms, you will be start earning good money. Okay, so that's it from the video today. If you need any kind of help, if you have any suggestion, you can drop in the comment section. If you need help, just let me know. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna upload so many videos now regarding online work. I have been doing a lot of research. So why don't we just join hands together, and let's be a successful freelancers online in the future. Okay, so that's it from the video. Once again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new viewer on my channel. Thank you so much, and take care.